Hello everyone, welcome to Opus Corner. So from today I will be starting the solutions of Leetcode, the daily solutions that are posted in Leetcode. I will try to solve that in Python programming language. So today's problem is problem number 2000 on reverse prefix of word, where we are given a zero index string and a character, and we are told that reverse the segment of word that starts at index 0 and ends at index of the first occurrence of the character. If the character does not exist in word, do nothing. So there is an condition over there, and we can see some of the examples here and the constraints that the word length should be in 1 to 250, and the word consists of lowercase English letters, and the character is also in lowercase English letters. So how should we solve this problem? At first I am writing the code, then I will try to explain it line by line. So as far we can see that there is a class solution that is already given in Python, and there is a line that define that reverse prefix self-worth a string. This line means that it defines a method named reverse prefix within the solution class. The method takes three parameters, that is self, which is a reference to the instance of the class, a word, which is a string, and sh, which is a string that is already prescribed in our question. And it also specifies that the method returns a string with this segment. So after that we have to write the code. So I am writing the code at first. Let's see. Okay, taking word, find the character. Okay, that's looking okay. Return the word. Let us use the slicing method here. Let us use the slicing. Let's see. Okay, let us use this one. Maybe it would work or not, I do not know, but let it try. Okay, then we try this one. Okay, sorry, slicing. I think it's enough. Let's run the code at first with all the test cases. Okay, it is stating that is a wrong answer. Your input is okay. Oh, okay. There is a doubt. Okay, I'm done with it. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, the answer is totally accepted now, and it has passed all the test cases. So I'll try to explain all the lines I have written for this code. So coming to the line number 3, this line, where this line finds the index of the first occurrence of the character ch within the string word using the find, this find. And it also adds 1 to the index and assigns the result to the variable I. This plus 1 is because the slicing in the next line will include the character at the found index. Coming to the fourth line, here we have used the slicing method. In the further videos I would like to introduce you to the slicing methods in Python, but now I will just explain it in a very linear way, that this word, this segment, that is a slicing notation that extracts a substring of word from the beginning up to the index number I. And the mistake I have made here, that also I am used the slicing notation here, but this is also a slicing notation with a step of -1, which effectively reverses the substring obtained in the previous step. here this extract of the substring was starting from index I to the end. So I have explained the line. Now let's submit it. I hope it will not face any time constraint or a time complexity problem. Okay, so today's problem is solved, and let's see. So until the page loads, I would like to thank you all for all of your responses that you are all giving in the GFG PODD problem solution over the YouTube community or over the GitHub. And I am starting my voiceover problem solving videos from this one. So I am willing that you will support me to the videos, and you will also give me some of the ideas that how can I improve my videos or my skills in coding, or how much coding or the other interfaces you want from my channel. So I would be looking forward for those suggestions. So let's wrap up today, and I will be back tomorrow with the Leetcode solutions or the GFG solutions, and I would also would like to voice over the problems in the GFG also. So okay, thank you guys for hooking up to the video till now, and till then, goodbye.